Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to manage process priority on OBS Studio. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once it launches, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the File menu. Click on File, and from the drop-down that appears, select Settings. This will open up OBS's configuration panel where you can adjust various aspects of how the software operates. In the Settings window, look at the left sidebar where you'll find several menu options. Click on Advanced to access the more technical settings that control OBS's performance and behavior. This is where you can fine-tune how OBS interacts with your system resources. At the top of the Advanced Settings panel, you'll see an option labeled Process Priority. This setting determines how much of your computer's processing power OBS receives compared to other running applications. Next to it, you'll find a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to reveal the available priority levels. Each priority level is designed for different recording scenarios, so choosing the right one can significantly improve your recording performance. Now, let me explain what each option does so you can select the one that best fits your needs. If you're recording a 4K gameplay video with OBS while using many overlays, select High. This gives OBS maximum processing power to handle the demanding task of capturing high-resolution footage with multiple visual elements. If you want to record gameplay only without heavy overlays or effects, select above Normal. This ensures smooth recording without completely dominating your system resources. For recording simple desktop videos or low-demand games, Normal is your best choice. This is the default setting and works well for everyday recording tasks where you don't need extra processing power. If you're recording casually while running a CPU-heavy program like video editing software or rendering tasks, select below Normal. This allows your primary application to run smoothly while OBS captures in the background. Finally, if you're recording something unimportant in the background while prioritizing another application, select Idle. This gives OBS the lowest priority, ensuring it doesn't interfere with your main work. After selecting your preferred option from the list, navigate to the bottom right corner of the Settings window. Click Apply to save your changes. Then click OK to close the window and return to the main OBS interface. Your new process priority setting is now active and will remain in effect for all future recording sessions until you change it again. And that's how you manage process priority on OBS Studio to optimize your recording performance. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.